Thanks for joining us. Rolly Hoyt here with Faith Woodard. We're going to begin tonight in Arkansas with the state of education here.
A local nonprofit is releasing their research on the biggest needs across the state. Despite slight improvements before the pandemic, the group believes COVID has ultimately left students feeling underprepared. And
tonight, THV11's Frederick Price breaks down the data they delivered and how the state could move forward, with the governor set to detail her ideas soon. Frederick?
Yeah, Faith and Rolly. Forward Arkansas spent the last 8 months talking to about 3,500 school administrators and educators to really understand how Arkansas schools are performing. Well, leaders announcing today schools are underperforming, but there are recommendations to improve the state of education.
Every student needs early exposure.
At a Rotary Club meeting on Tuesday, a panel of education advocates put the state of schooling in Arkansas in proper perspective.
And whether you're a parent, grandparent, aunt, uncle, know that there's urgency for your student.
This coming from research Forward Arkansas, an education nonprofit, conducted. According to the group, during the 2018-2019 school year, 41% of Arkansas students either met or exceeded reading expectations on the ACT Aspire exam, 48% in math, compared to the 2021-2022 school year, where only 38% did well in reading and 34% in math.
And our students weren't performing where they need to be, far from it. What we also found was that COVID made it worse.
Ben Cotillo leads the group and is behind the research. During the presentation, Cotillo released 8 priorities on how the state can improve. They include focusing on literacy in early childhood and pre-K, as well as meeting unique needs in rural communities and more concentration on student health and well-being, and finding teachers and leaders.
Through the voice of Arkansans as most important for students throughout their education, to prepare them and give them access to opportunities after K-12.
THV11 asked how these recommendations can be implemented in Arkansas schools. Cotillo says he's calling on lawmakers and communities to accomplish that.
As a state, we set those guidelines and priorities, at a high level and create those policies. But then we also need to empower communities, local leaders, parents.
Well, tomorrow, Governor Sarah Sanders is set to unveil her education plan she's calling Arkansas Learns. THV11 will be at the Capitol tomorrow for the announcement.